Welcome to the Success Playbook by Expertrons and Shine. India has over 200 million two wheelers, yet, getting your bike serviced still means long waiting times, unclear bills, and very little trust. Today's guests are not only trying to open just another garage, they decided to organize an entire industry. Joining me are Adarsh and Deepak, founders of Garage Wale, a tech enabled doorstep two wheeler servicing platform building city-wide service networks across India. Hey, Adarsh and Deepak, I'm so glad to have you on the show. How are you doing today, Adarsh?
I'm good. How are you, Jatin?
I'm doing good. Deepak, how are you?
I am good, Jatin. How are you?
I'm doing well as well, and thanks for taking out time for the show. I'm really glad to have you on the show. I'm sure the audience will learn a lot about your sector today and how you built this incredible startup in this space, which of course seems really tedious, really something which is a problem to be solved, and someone had to kind of take up that challenge. I'm glad that both of you kind of got into this. Let's quickly dive into it. Adarsh, you bring 8 years of experience working with brands like Hero, Royal Enfield, and you are leading Garage Wale's vision, operations, and city expansion. Deepak, you come from a strong automotive and brand building background with Ashok Leyland, Royal Enfield, and like you've driven growth, marketing, and customer trust at all these places. With such an experience, what was the origination story, Adarsh? I would like to, of course, hear from you. Like as a regular bike owner, what kind of frustrated you the most about servicing in India?
Basically, I must say, actually, a lot of OEM brands are doing the services at their service points, right? But for the customer end, definitely it is a waiting time because sometimes the vehicle or the bike has there at the service center for a long time. Sometimes they don't have the spare parts to repair the bike, and the transparency, lack of transparency is also there at the local garages also because they don't have the tech enabled system to actually reflected at the customer end. And of course the basically customers are as of now customer don't have time to get the service or the repairing done of their two wheelers. So basically we are bringing the tech enabled solution for the customer.
Very interesting. And I mean, of course, that this is something which had to be fixed. So you have of course identified the customer pain point really well. You have of course worked with some of the biggest two wheeler brands. So the obvious question is like, why is no one else fixing this problem, others? Like,
There are no company in the India who is doing the pickup and drop services, right? So the market is so big and it is an unorganized market. Totally, there is a problem with the tech-enabled system that the companies or the local garages who doesn't have the appetite to invest in that. Problem with this, it is an unorganized market which we are organizing with the tech system and the expertise which we have, and obviously it would definitely help lot of customers to solve this problem. That's all I think from the market situation I would say.
very interesting. Deepak, like, of course, like when Adarsh had identified this as a problem and he came to you and both of you kind of discussed over it, brainstormed over it, what excited you the most? मतलब क्या आपको was it the challenge कि ये challenge बहुत बहुत interesting है, complex है to solve, या was it the opportunity कि यार ये market बहुत बड़ा? What excited you the most, Deepak?
Actually, first of all, we have started this journey, made this plan, and this plan is worked initially by me, and then I find the gap where the societies which is stayed out of the city, जिसमें लोगों को सर्विस चाहिए होती है, and they won't have that kind of service which we are providing right now. From that, we got the things. There are the challenges, there are the problems, and whenever the challenges or problems come, there is the opportunity to deliver the services to them. So I bring that the opportunity also in that, and as the challenges is also there, which comes which gives an opportunity of business where we can associate the unorganized sector in an organized way to the customer. We building the trust for these customer who are residing outside the cities. They want the doorstep service. They want the two-wheeler repair service at their doorstep. kind of service we have started. Then we have the point in 22nd July, 23rd. We discussed. I did one single camp, and then I discussed with others. This is what the project or 1 day routine I have done. It was very good, and we had a good revenue of that day. And then we have started this. We gathered, we meet, and we come to establish this organization.
Very, very interesting, Deepak. I think running a pilot, of course, gave you more confidence कि ये problem
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
बहुत बड़ी है, and just kind of getting together, doing a pilot about it, making sure कि हाँ आप right problem solve कर रहे हो, customer को need है, the response of the pilot, the testimonials you would have got on that day. I'm sure all of that coming together would have got you a lot more insight over कि यार हाँ इसकी कंपनी बनाई जा सकती है, इसके ऊपर अगले 10 साल लगाए जा सकते हैं लाइफ के. So
Right, right.
so that's really good to hear how all of this kind of came together between the both of you. I'm sure like a lot of people listening to the show, a lot of young entrepreneurs would be thinking कि सिर्फ idea सोचने से company नहीं बन जाती है. There is a lot of validation which needs to be done, and the kind of validation you did, of course, proves that a lot. So really good on how you went on from discussing the idea, actually identifying it at your previous organizations, coming out, doing a pilot, and actually kind of taking it out, forming a company. Really great. So one line that really stands out is when garages are empowered with systems and trusted brand, customer confidence follows. Can you kind of break this down? Of course, Deepak, this is kind of the brand messaging which you want to kind of give out. So can you break this down on how it stands true for Garage Valley?
Sir, actually, Garajal is what the thing is. He is building a trust with the standard operating process, with the feedback system, with the complaint management system, and with the great service which is driven by us. We have an application platform where customer can see that the position of his vehicle or her vehicle, what the work is going on, and full service visibility is also there to check
Very interesting.
where my vehicle is going on.
Very interesting. No, that absolutely makes sense. I think like as much as visibility is there to the customer, that of course instill a lot of confidence in them to kind of say that hey, I want to go ahead with this company over and over again, because this is one part which is of course always lacking in this industry where you're operating, because many a times people are unaware ki how much time it is going to take, what is the costing.
Yes, yes,
There's
yes.
no visibility on it. So the tech layer which you have integrated over it and the SOPs which you have
Correct.
set in place are
Right.
surely commendable. So really interesting to say.
Yeah.
So in simple terms, are you like Swiggy and Zomato like experience for two-wheeler servicing?
Yeah, quite little like the way, but we are putting all our workshop station to the location of consumers, or we can we can.
Very interesting. Very interesting. And Adarsh, to you, like why Nagpur, and what did that market prove for Garage Wale?
So why Nagpur? It has started actually since inception. Deepak was in the Nagpur. I was in the Ahmedabad. I was doing a job in Royal Enfield, right? So as Deepak said that he has validated the model, then we
Yeah.
discussed. So definitely he was in the Nagpur. We have started from Nagpur. Also, we have think that ki rather than going into the tier 1 cities or the metro cities, let's prove our model into the tier 2 or tier 3 city first. So that is why we have started from Nagpur. And Nagpur has proven lot of thing to us. First is we have onboarded 100 plus garages in the Nagpur, right? We have started pickup and drop services from the Nagpur. We have actually do a lot of if and buts. They have started lot of models. Like we have started from the camp and then stopped it because of the some reasons it was not running at that time. So I think as a startup founder, we must validate first all our model into the one city, and then definitely it is right now validated, fully operational, and we can expand as fast as possible.
Very interesting. No, I think that makes complete sense, Adarsh and Deepak. Of course, I mean it's a very underrated quality for a founder to focus, and I have seen a lot of founders make this mistake of expanding too thin too quickly. So you kind of doubling down on a city, staying in a city, and kind of expanding there. Of course, gives a lot of validation. In fact, actually, of course, Nagpur is one of the fastest growing tier 2 city, so that of course makes it all the more interesting because now it gives an SOP for every other tier 2 tier 3 expansion which you want to do pan India. So काफी interesting है how the Nagpur model of course validated a lot of things for Garage Wale, and of course Deepak already being there was a very convenient fact for you to kind of get together
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Nagpur. So of course that's very interesting. And yeah, I mean, how was that experience of kind of starting up your first garage and kind of because एक होता है camp run करना, because that's something which is something जो आप लोगों ने of course किया and validated and all of that, but एक होता है actually kind of starting in Nagpur and kind of like experiencing your live customers and everything. तो आपका जो app का launch, आपके first few customers, आपके मतलब at customer pickup मतलब location पे servicing pro all of that, like how was that experience of kind of starting in Nagpur and full-fledged
So
starting? Yeah, yeah,
yes, yes. So we have started from 100 square feet space. It was a
yeah.
very small space, and it was into the residential area. We have Me and Deepak went for the pickup and drop to the vehicles right initially, because the team was so small. They were not professional at that time, because the hiring
True.
was not. We can say that the people don't join the startup immediately, right? Unless they
True.
don't see the growing. So me and Deepak definitely went for a pickup and drop. Me and Deepak repaired the vehicle at the doorstep for the customer as well, right? So we have taken a lot of experience from the ground. We have also actually handled a lot of customer at the ground. So right now we definitely have that experience, and we are going to use that experience for the expansion and for the partners who are coming in, right, or with to actually do the business for themselves.
True, true. No, this is very interesting, Adarsh. How, of course, I too remember my early days of starting up, and of course, in each of my venture during the early days, you are the person who is in charge for बोलते हैं ना कंप्यूटर पे वायर लगाने से लेके
Yes.
इंटर्न हायर करने से लेके ऑफिस साफ करने से लेके ऑल ऑफ दैट इज यू एज अ फाउंडर यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग. So of course the experience of ground up meeting the customers, servicing the bikes, all of that of course gives you a lot of deep insight into things, and as you start hiring no one else can of course make a fool of both of you, because आपने ground up सब किया हुआ है. तो कोई आपको
Yes.
बोले कि नहीं इतना टाइम इससे इतना ज्यादा टाइम लग गया, तो you'll be like अरे मैं मतलब like आप मेरे को नहीं बना सकते हो. I've
मैंने
been on the ground.
हमको क्यों
मैंने किया हुआ है,
Yes,
मैंने कस्टमर को डिलीवर किया हुआ है, मैंने ये ब्रेक ठीक करे हुए हैं, मैंने ये सब किया हुआ है. So आप मेरे को नहीं बना सकते हो. So things like that of course matters a lot. Of course getting your hands dirty is, and literally आपके केस में तो hands dirty होते हैं while you're on the ground and servicing
Yes.
a bike. So really interesting to kind of know how you kind of got together to kind of start things off ground. And in terms of course you and because you identified a very good market, very good need, very good potential, I can see there is a lot of financial viability also in the whole thing. मतलब of course you realized कि इसमें unit economics work रही है, पैसे बन रहे हैं, there's a lot of growth which is happening in this particular space. So can you highlight a little bit more on that, Adarsh, like how did that happen? And because you realized कि product market fit है and all of that, of course you decided कि हम इसे pan India expand भी कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आप पहले थोड़ा on the financial viability थोड़ा सा और highlight कर सकते हैं या बता सकते हैं कि हाँ how the whole thing works, and then of course we'll talk more about if someone wants to become part of your vision of कि हाँ मुझे इस industry में आना है, मुझे something interesting which you're doing in this, you're kind of disrupting the two-wheeler servicing industry. So if
Yeah.
someone wants to kind of join your vision, कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो थोड़ा if you can first highlight on how did the unit economics work out? Because I'm sure जब आपने शुरू किया होगा you did not start with an Excel or anything. You just said कि यार ये problem है, इसको solve करते हैं. So when did it actually started trickling down to money and you realize कि हाँ यार, this is something जहाँ पे अच्छी growth हो रही है, अच्छा पैसा बन रहा है.
So actually, if I talk about the unit economics of this business, it is a definitely high margin business. I must say you would have around more than 50% gross margin, because there is the spare part includes in the bike repairing services. There are the labors which includes. So it is
Very
a very
interesting.
high margin. Yes, yes, it is a very high margin business wherein definitely you have to do so much hard work, but you can earn the money. If I talk about the unit economics or the average ticket size, definitely if you go to do the go to do the bike servicing in the market, definitely you spend more than 2500, around 2000 rupees. I'm just
Yeah.
talking about the normal 150cc bikes or the moped, right?
Yeah.
If you own the Royal Enfield or the another super bikes, definitely it costs more. So in terms of the profitability or unit economics, I must say, Jatin, it is a high margin business. Definitely you can make lot of money out of that. And
Wow.
in India, it is a huge market opportunity. It is a more than 60,000 crore business market opportunity available in India for two
Wow.
wheelers. To do the servicing properly, you have to just win the customer trust, and you can make a lot of money out of that.
Very interesting. Very interesting. No, this sounds very very lucrative. Of course, given that India has close to 25 crore bikes, that's a huge kind of potential. Of course, India as it is growing, of course, has a very large bike population, and of course, often these bikes break down. Not everything is kind of covered under the brand's warranty, because most of them kind of expire soon, and then there's a lot of and it's only to kind of build the customer trust, give the right service, because once you give that, there is also a repeat
Yes.
rate which happens, and I'm sure that must be in the service industry, that kind of that's what matters, and that's why kind of you decided to kind of bring transparency, decided to kind of bring at home service and things like that, because that would then give so much comfort to the customer that they would come back for more and more and more every time their bikes break down. They would come back
So,
to.
so, so
Yeah.
definitely, Jatin, I would like to just interrupt. Ki, actually, in the two-wheeler industry, no one takes the feedback, right? After getting the service done, we
Yeah.
are the one who are taking the customer feedbacks and asking and going for a problem solving. If there is a
Yeah.
problem in the bike, definitely we solve within the 24 hours or the 48 hours. So it is mainly to win the customer trust and give the after sale service. This is
Yeah.
the main point, to win the
Yeah.
customer trust.
Yeah. 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 No, that's very interesting, and of course gives a lot of potential, because people who have, that's the best part of best and worst, I think, in the service industry. Of course, you
Yes.
if someone speaks highly of you, then five of their friends would come to you. But in case if
Yes.
someone speaks ill about you, then of course you lose another five people in their network. So that's kind of, it's a two-edged sword. But के case में, of course, you have to kind of stay sharp, stay at the top of it, of your customer problems and desires. So that's really interesting to see that a good customer feedback, of course, impacts you really well. Deepak, to you, of course, like when did you folks decided that this is the right stage to kind of share our vision with other partners? Because of course there are many other people who believe in this vision of yours and would like to kind of participate in the industry. And I of course hear that you have launched your own partner program as well. So when did Deepak, when did you folks kind of discuss and decide that people could kind of participate in the opportunity? And if you can of course highlight a little more on what kind of support can they expect when they kind of are thinking to kind of come into this industry.
Yeah, actually, there are a lot many opportunities for the partners who wants to come into this industry, because as others already told that the revenue and margins is very good, and lot many things are there to earn the money in this segment, where
Right.
partners can join, and partners can earn the money within, have their break even in few months, and they can have their ROI in we can say 15 to 18 months. So there
Interesting.
would be a good a good project to have. Yeah, we can say that there is a good opportunity and great opportunity to join with us. Definitely there will be an ग्रेट वी कैन से, मतलब बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, and आगे उनको हमारे साथ में because we want to expand our network as well. We will deliver the things whatever comes in our mind कि ये मेरा vision है और ये vision के साथ में मुझे ये city में this is what I want to create, this is I want to develop a new project. केस में मैं उनको मेरे फ्रेंचाइजी को साथ में लेके कर सकता हूँ. तो काइंड ऑफ सेम we want to expand our vision as well as the network with the partners who wants to come in.
Very interesting, very interesting. And others to you, like who is the ideal profile partner you're looking for? अलग-अलग cities में expand करना है. You have your learnings, you have a lot of things in mind कि हम ये support देंगे partner को. Of course, the earning is good and everything, but what are you looking for in a partner? Like,
So basically, we are looking for anyone who wants to do their own business, who wants to make a lot of money. This is the basic idea, right? Who should have intention to build something unique, right? But you can say that yes, local entrepreneurs and the professional who wants to who understand the execution and they want a scalable model. So these are the basic profiles which we are looking for. But anyone can join us. We are here to get them learn how to do this business, scale them, and we will definitely make lot of money for them as well. So this is the basically ideal profile which we are looking for.
business क्योंकि tier 2 tier 3 city में अगर आप the earning potential is very limited. People can earn a salary of say a capping of 50,000 की, यार उसके ऊपर की salary अगर कमानी है तो there are very limited opportunities. So they have to of course do business and they want to of course get associated with good founders, good brands to do the same. In fact, both of you coming together, putting the SOPs together with your experience in the two-wheeler industry, putting together a really good business for them, and of course helping them with your experience gives them a lot of opportunity. So to all our listeners, of course, who are wanting to of course work in this particular sector in a really problem solving manner, and of course in a manner that there is a repeat customer coming in, there is high margin in the business. Of course, there is a lot of operations, but as we just discussed, there is
Yes.
as you do the right service, then there is the one customer is in fact going to have a very good word of mouth, and that is going to kind of spread your revenue 5 times and into 5 times and into 5 times. So there is of course a lot of growth opportunity which is available here. So really yeah, interesting.
So you just mentioned there is a lot of operation, right, Jatin? So we are actually minimizing that. We have our application, everything in place. We have our SOPs in place, right?
Very interesting.
So definitely the operation, the heavy operational business, but we are here to help our partners to get them reduced so that they would have actually they can make a lot of money, I must say, from this business. Even I'm seeing that we are also on a scalable stage, so definitely with the help of the tech enabled system we are minimizing the heavy operational.
Very interesting, very interesting. I'm sure just the tech enablement जो आपने किया है, that is of course something which is very interesting for the partners to kind of grow upon, because आपका tech enablement makes the SOP even more stronger, leaves the operation का guessing वाला work, it just
Yes.
leaves it out because आपने SOPs in place ले आए, टेक एनेबलमेंट भी किया है, आप ऑटोमेशन भी इसके अंदर कर रहे हो, सो दैट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प्स द पार्टनर इवन फर्दर. दीपक, टू यू ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई इज नाउ द राइट टाइम टू स्केल garage wale? Why do you think this is the right time to kind of find these partners, expand pan India, all of that? So why do you think that is the case?
Jatin, you might have heard about that. The thing market is moving towards the BS6 technology. Every two wheelers,
Yeah.
every
Yeah.
automobile sector market is moving towards the BS6 technology, and as we have discussed already, that mechanics are totally unorganized and they don't have that kind of trainings, that kind of knowledge to handle that BS6 vehicle. 80% mechanics are not trained as per the BS6 technology. They needs training, they needs technology and access BS6 diagnostic tools which can help them to diagnose the problem and solve the issues. We are addressing the same issue in that we address that thing and we understand the problems and we find the opportunity, and then we have implemented, we trained the mechanics, and this is what the opportunity for the scaling our garage wale into the various city. We want to train the mechanics, whoever the partner will come with us, उनके mechanics को training देके उनको on board करके और हम उन्हें भी scalable बनाना चाहते हैं because market उतना मतलब well educated नहीं, trained mechanics की वजह से most of workshops या garages कम हो रहे, उनके मैन पावर्स नहीं मिल रहे, तो उसकी वजह से उनको दिक्कत जा रही है. We have started this implementing in every area.
So
No,
definitely,
that's
Jatin, I must add one point in that the
interesting.
EV marketing is growing, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So we are also doing the EV services, which is the actually we have just started that 3 months ago. We are also doing that, and it is definitely a big market by
Very
2030
interesting.
as per the government of India. So
Huh.
this would be the add-on point for our partners that we are also giving the EV services for them.
Wow, wow, wow. No, that makes a lot of sense because, of course, the EV fleets are also on the rise, and a lot of different companies are working in this area of increasing the number of EV fleets or giving it out for rental or selling EV fleets. Servicing those also, of course, matters a lot. There has been a lot of news about Ola not
Yes.
being able to
Yeah,
service
yeah.
a lot of their bikes. So, of course, there is always a market for, other than, of course, the manufacturers themselves, there is always a market for a lot of players who could kind of come, step in, give the right service, because customer is always looking to kind of solve for their pain points, and as transparent as it can get, as much automation or technology can be applied to it, that of course solves for a real customer pain point, and then of course gives you a large opportunity to really interesting to know. Of course, Garage Wale is sitting right in the intersection of technology, trust, and timing, and I'm sure it's exactly the right time for Garage Wale to scale. Really good to know. In terms of course, how kind of you put all of this together, it looks a very interesting opportunity for partners to, of course, collaborate with you. So anyone who is listening to it and wanting to enter this particular market, Adarsh and Deepak, of course, have a very interesting opportunity for you to kind of get into. You can kind of become their partners and kind of get your growth with Garage Wale. Very
Yes.
interesting. So now we quickly move on to the rapid fire round. I would, of course, expect real quick answers from both of you, Deepak and Adarsh. And of course, I would be asking of rapid fires from both of you. So, Adarsh, for you, first bike you owned?
So it is a passion plus it is from the Hero MotoCorp because I'm coming from a very middle class family.
Very
So it
interesting.
was at that time my parents can afford only the affordable bikes. So it was a passion plus.
Deepak, for you, what was that?
It was a pleasure.
Very interesting. Very
Yeah.
interesting. Mine was, in fact, a Honda Twister, and that was a second-hand Honda Twister. So I had in fact moved from Bangalore to Pune, and then I had found it on, I think, Marketplace or some place, and then I had bought it from some other buyer. So
Okay,
that was
okay.
my
Me
first
also.
bike. Yeah.
Me also.
One mistake most first-time founders make. Other.
So actually, basically, founders wants to complete their product entirely and then launch it. So first, the MVP should be ready. It should be launched in the market and tested thoroughly, and then the tech enability and the lot of features can come after that time. So founders
Very
should be
interesting.
first try and test their model first.
Very interesting. No, that makes complete sense. Deepak.
Same. Actually, we have given a lot of time to understand the things. We have spent. Actually, others already told. We thoroughly done the work. We actually
Very
knows
interesting.
how the work is going on. We actually did the service. We know each and every elements, each and every parts of the vehicle. As one vehicle has 6,000 part lines. So for
Very
that six
interesting.
part and how that 6,000 part line goes and works, that understand, and then we have, matlab, we deep down in everything. We deep down in technology. We deep down in systems. We deep down in unit economics. We deep down in infrastructure and operations and everything. Then we give a lot of time. After that, we come to we can say we come to sit here.
No, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
Where do you see Garage Wale in the next 5 years?
So I would not say for the valuation purpose, but definitely we are expecting around 1,000 crore revenue. Valuation
Very
अपने आप बन जाएगा.
very interesting. Very interesting. And
Yeah, same. I want to expand my network in Pan India with thousands plus franchisee, and next many more projects come with the Garage Wale.
Very interesting. Very interesting. And one habit every entrepreneur must build, Adarsh.
Consistency.
Amazing. Deepak?
Consistency, true.
Deepak,
Patience,
after this, I think
patience, and
after this question, you'll be banned from answering any answer which Adarsh has given. So you'll need to change your answers.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
one city you are most excited to launch next, Adarsh.
So I would say I'm excited for the two cities. One is Indore and second is Pune. Why is it so? Because Indore is my hometown, you can say that, and Pune I've studied a lot. Studied, so that is why Pune and Indore I would say.
Amazing. And Deepak?
Pune is familiar to me. I have spent 7 years over there, and for
But I'll
Indore,
reject that answer because that has already been given.
actually we are expanding in Hyderabad. We are
Okay.
expanding. Matlab, we can say I want to go over there, and this kind of cities which needs to be expand first. Hyderabad, Bangalore, kind of
Very
dream
interesting.
city. Actually, business purpose we can say that,
Interesting.
because these guys don't have that much of time where
Yeah.
मतलब जो भी वहाँ पे रहते हैं, Hyderabad
Yeah.
and Bangalore kind of city, and
Yeah.
Pune as well.
Yeah. Yeah. No, makes sense. Makes sense. And yeah, so one marketing myth in the auto industry, in auto services, Adarsh.
So actually, the meta ads, I would say, because it is a totally experiencing market, right? So someone should not spend too much on the meta ads. It is all about the experiencing.
Very interesting. And brand trust comes from service or storytelling. Deepak?
Actually, it comes from service. Storytelling तो just वो amplify करती है.
Very interesting.
Service
And
quality.
makes sense. Makes sense. And one brand you admire the most. Deepak, to you first and then Adarsh. आपको पूछूंगा.
Actually, Tata and MG. Sorry, Tata is first because I know the process and I know the vision which Tata is working for the employee, doing the good company. We can say, and I admire MG also because we got some things from MG. That's why.
So for me, it is a Hero MotoCorp in the two-wheeler industry, definitely, because it is the biggest two-wheeler manufacturer, and they are expanding their business in a good manner. So I admire the Hero MotoCorp.
Very interesting. The Munjal family.
Yes.
Very, very interesting. And uh, how would you describe Garage Wale in one word, Adarsh?
So it is all about experience.
Very interesting. Deepak, for you, experience मत
Trust.
बोलना.
Trust.
Okay, great. This time, I got exclusive and different answer, Deepak. But nice, सही है. It's always tough for the person who is asked second.
Yeah.
But I think you fared well, Deepak. I think you fared well in the in the rapid. So, Deepak, this question is to you, of course. I mean, you folks have been doing this for so many years now, and you have been, of course, serving the customers and everything. So, is there any interesting story from years of serving the customers, solving their pain points, which, of course, kind of keeps you going? And there are always ups and downs in the startup journey. Is there any interesting story which is still close to your heart and which kind of keeps you going?
Yeah, actually, we have lot of stories in that. First, जो मुझे याद है, and in that, one lady has stuck up, I think 10-15 kilometers away from our workshop.
Okay.
At that time, at 9:30, we closed our workshop, and we are just sitting and discussing about the things. She called us. She called an office number. She told me that my vehicle is breakdown over this due to this issue, and we told that, ma'am, shop is closed, but how I can help you? Just tell me. So she can't find any garage nearby person. No one is there. In that case, I told her, ma'am, just wait for 15-20 minutes. I am coming there. So in that, I picked my Tata S with others and me. Both of us, we went there and picked her vehicle on picked up in Tata S, and then we come back. शी टोटली मतलब बहुत खुश थी, मतलब एट दैट टाइम उसी ने हेल्प किया, खुशी थी, दैट वाज अनफॉरगेटेबल. एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई डिलीवर द व्हीकल, शी टोल्ड मी दैट यार काम बहुत बढ़िया किया, आज तक ऐसा काम मुझे मिला नहीं है, एंड
Wow.
जो भी तुमने रात में सपोर्ट किया दैट वाज कमेंडेबल.
Wow.
आई एम हैप्पी
Wow.
विथ इट, और वो आज तक मैं भूल नहीं सकता और आगे भी कभी नहीं भूलूंगा.
Amazing, amazing. No, this is very interesting, Deepak. Just going beyond whatever service is possible is of course commendable, and these like things like this of course go a long way in the service industry. वो कस्टमर ना ही सिर्फ आपको याद रखेंगे, but then they'll talk about it to 5 more people in their community. So it's really good to kind of hear such a interesting. Of course, आप दोनों अलग अलग जगह जॉब करते थे, and you had your own professional journey, and वहाँ से आपने bootstrap करके कंपनी स्टार्ट करी, and you started working and everything, and I'm sure because आप इसको सेल्फ फंड कर रहे थे, तो it must be a tough phase and everything for you. So how did that pan out? Like आपने कैसे इसको यहाँ तक लेके आए? Because of course you served a lot of bikes now. You're now expanding to multi cities. How did you manage all of that?
So initially it was a bootstrapped only for the 10 months, right? So we were just building a MVP. We were trying a lot of things, right? So just one day the call has come from a startup event from Mumbai that we have been invited, and definitely
Oh,
we
wow.
pitched our idea. Okay, we pitched our idea. The investor was happy, and we got our seed funding then and there.
Oh, wow.
And also they have also invested in the second round of the investment. So if they are getting something, that is why they have invested, right? Again, otherwise they won't invest. So this is the story. And if you talk about the customer end, in the Nagpur we have served more than 12,000 plus customers in last 2 years. So if you talk about the local garage, बहुत मुश्किल है कि इतने customers आप serve कर पाओगे. But definitely with the help of our SOPs, tech-enabled system, we have served 12,000 plus customers in Nagpur only. So this is how it helps from bootstrap to seed funding, and we are managing.
Very interesting, very interesting. So good to hear about how within 10 months you were able to kind of raise your seed, and the same investors of course coming in on your follow-on rounds of course showcases the kind of trust you have built with your investors, and of course the kind of progress you have shown them. I mean, of course an investor will only let their money ride on the right horses. So you're of course one of
Yes.
their brightest horse in their portfolio. So this is really good to know. And kind of wishing both of you a lot more funding, a lot more revenue, a lot more profits in the future. So really good to know that.
Thank you so much, Jatin.
Thank you so much.
So this was not just another startup story. It was a city level business playbook. Garagewale is not opening garages. It is organizing India's two-wheeler servicing ecosystem, one city at a time. And if you're an entrepreneur looking for a scalable, repeat usage business, or someone who believes your city deserves better service, Garagewale could be the next big move for you. Thank you, Adarsh and Deepak. It was amazing to, of course, get a lot of insights from you about this industry, and to have you on the show. Thanks for taking out time for us.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Jatin.
thank
Thanks
you
for
so
having us. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Jatin. Thank you for discussion.
Yeah, thanks. And this is the Success Playbook by Expetrons and Shine. And this was Deepak and Adarsh from Garagewale joining us and sharing their story. Thank you.